Hi food lovers, today we are going to be making okpa without hands. We're going to make this with a whisk and a spoon, and it's going to turn out absolutely beautiful. So first thing, in a bowl, put in some oil, and afterwards put in the okpa flour. So I actually have like a detailed video with measurements. I have about two, I think, on my channel, so you may need to check that out if you want something with measurements. So what I did was to use a spoon to mix the oil and the okpa, because that's what you normally do with your hands. Then I put in a little warm water. The water usually has to be something you can put your hands into, warm water. So I used a whisk, and normally you need to use your hand to get rid of all the lumps, but this whisk, it did this thing in like what, in less than a minute, and we've all been suffering. Anyway, so I whisked that and I added some more water to get this consistency, added salt, added Scotch bonnet, Cameroon pepper. I mixed all of that and it tasted so good. I'm not going to lie, but this is the best okpa I've made in a while. Honestly, the okpa was so good. I don't know if it's because I used whisk. Anyway, it's not the first time I used whisk to make this okpa, but for some reason this okpa was so good, and I'm happy I filmed it. So afterwards I just tied this in nylon and I put it in a pot of boiling water. So the best thing to do is, as you tie the okpa, you put it into the water immediately. You don't want to let it sit, but if you let it sit, you should always shake it before you put it into the pot. So the water was a lot, I had to reduce that, and I cooked this for 30 minutes because I tied them really small. So you can actually cook between 30 minutes to 1 hour. Look at how beautiful this okpa looks. It was so, it wasn't too soft, I don't know the word, but it was just perfect. And this pap tried to disgrace me, but we move. I had to boil it on fire. And let me know if you're going to try this. Actually, I think you should try this because nobody likes stress, so you should make your okpa this way henceforth. I'll see you guys in my next video.